Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix background color not working on Facebook. So the first method to fix this problem, we need to update our Facebook app. So for that, go to Play Store and search your Facebook. If you see any update available, then you will need to download your Facebook app from here. Then go to Facebook and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to clear our Facebook cache files. So open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on App Management. And from this list, you have to tap on Facebook. Now tap on Storage Usage, tap on Clear Cache, and then tap on Clear Data. And after finishing this process, go to Facebook and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is we need to delete our Facebook app with all data files, and we need to reinstall our Facebook. So for that, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on App Management, tap on Facebook, Storage Usage, tap on Clear Cache, and tap on Clear Data. And after that, open your Play Store and search here Facebook. Then all you have to need, just install your Facebook from here and log in into your account, and you will see the problem has been fixed. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.